Next, we'll begin a demonstration of the installation process. For the installation demo, we'll now place this here, right in this position, just like this. Alright then, let's align the camera position of our phone with the arrow marked for the Xiaomi 15, making sure the camera is facing the right direction. Now, let's place the Xiaomi 15 down, secure the latch, press it firmly, and once it's in place, we can remove our cleaning kit. After removing the cleaning kit, you'll see these 3 items here. Remember, everyone, this is the camera position for the Xiaomi 15. We can flip it over to take a look if needed. Once the camera position for the Xiaomi 15 is set, next, we'll use a wet wipe or damp cloth to clean the screen thoroughly. After wiping it clean, use a dry cloth for the next step. Now, use our dust-absorbing film. Next, let's take out our protective film. Now, let's take a look. First, put the dust-absorbing film aside. As for the protective film, there are words written on it. Follow the instructions to remove it. When you take it out, pay attention to these 2 spots. These 2 spots need to be aligned. Remember, you must pull out this tab. First, let's secure these 2 positions. Alright, once the 2 positions are secured, remember to pull out this tab before peeling it off. Now, first open it up. First, clean this powder tray thoroughly, okay? Once it's properly applied and secured, everything is in place, right? Then either tilt it or lay it flat, right? Pull it open, okay? Pull it open. Alright, pull off this protective strip. Next, we'll use our roller. For this part, take a look at these 2 holes. These 2 holes are not separated, but you don't start from this end, you start from here. Take a look, it's from this spot, yes, from these 2 spots. Insert it in, align it with the latch, then use 2 fingers to press down, press and hold. It's a bit tight, right? Yeah, it's really quite tight. So when we are actively using it, we can effectively use the robust lock mechanism to gently push it completely over. Okay, once you've pushed it to this position, push it back the other way, push it back again. Alright, okay, so at this point we've finished installing it, right? After installation, remove the protective film on top. Alright, at this point, we've basically finished applying this film, right? It's already applied. But as you can see, there are still some small bubbles here. What should we do about them? What exactly should we do about these particular elements? This is an incredibly crucial and profoundly significant matter. Yes, indeed, it is exceptionally important. We absolutely need to carefully and deliberately lift it up, gently elevating it. Or alternatively, we can very carefully and precisely use our finger, our delicate digit, to gently and cautiously poke at it. Then we must push it out, carefully guiding it outward, pushing it firmly yet gently toward this specific spot, this precise location, in order to effectively and completely squeeze it out, extracting it fully. Using your hands actually works even better. Okay, at this point the entire film has been applied.